The St Andrew's Church at Brympton, Devonshire features 2 church bells that hang in the lantern-like bellcot, dating from the 15th or 16th century. The larger bell carries the inscription Anno Domini 1659 TLCWTP, with floral stops and a running vine border above. It was made at the Clothesworth foundry by Thomas Purdue, who had a long and productive career, with there being well over 100 bells by him still in existence. The other, smaller bell has no inscription, but its shape and the profile of its cannons suggest that it dates from the 13th century. The founder and the place of casting for this bell are not known, although it's likely to have been made quite locally. In 2023, Nicholson Engineering, a specialist bell hanging company, completed an initial inspection of the bells and their fittings, stating that both bells seemed to be sound, but the condition of the fittings was pretty well derelict, and that the bells would have to be rehung with entirely new fittings. In 2024, the work to repair and maintain the bells began. After the scaffolding was in place, the wheels were stripped down and the ropes were secured within the turret. The bearing covers were removed and the bells were lifted and lowered using the scaffolding provided. The headstocks and all the metalwork was then removed, as well as the steel staples, which, if left in the bell, would rust and expand, causing the bells to crack. Once the bells had been taken to Nicholson Engineering in Bridport, the headstocks were scrapped and all of the steelwork was replaced with new stainless steel. The wooden half wheels were also replaced following the same design as the original ones, using various hardwoods such as ash, elm, chestnut and oak. The bells were then brought back to St Andrew's Church, where stainless steel brackets were fixed to the walls of the turret with SKF bearing housings fitted to them. The bells with headstocks were lifted into position and secured, and the new half wheels were fitted to the headstocks. Then, a new stainless steel cable was fitted to the wheels and down into the church with new ropes fixed to the wire. Lastly, the bells were tested for chiming, and to ensure that everything worked as it should. With the recent restoration work concluded in 2024 to preserve the bells, they should now keep ringing for many years to come.